Now, this is the price action that could literally change everything about the Jasmy price set, and we're going to be taking a deep dive into the chart today to try and see what exactly is happening right here, right? So without me running my mouth too much, let me actually get into the real stuff here. So we are starting here on a daily time frame, and then we'll end up on the weekly time frame to get a complete picture of what is happening, right? So yeah, here on a daily time frame, we have got the lines that we have, the three main line of support and resistance, and I think you can give me a like for drawing these lines, because they've been respected like really well on the Jasmy price. Look at this time right here, look at this resistance as well, and this support right here. I mean, it's been perfect for people who have been following the channel. They know that these lines have been here for more than 8 months or 6 months. I don't even remember, but these lines have been respected greatly. So guys, if you remember, we are looking at 0.008 as the price target that we are looking at, the main resistance line on the Jasmy price. That break above 0.008, you are in for some great stuff here on the Jasmy price. So the Jasmy price is actually trying to work out that area at the moment, and I can tell you that this is the epic battle here on the Jasmy price. Now what do we need to break above that resistance level right there? First of all, let me show you here by means of a fib retracement tool. So from the top to the very bottom right here of the recent price action, you can actually see that we have broken above the 0.786 fib retracement level there. Now if we have a daily closure above this level, we have a chance, let me say that we have a chance to go ahead and break the previous high that we set right here at 0.0084. I think it was on the 8th of February. I remember we were also having a great day here on the Jasmy price. So for us to go ahead and challenge this price target here at the very top, and you can see it's also almost the top of the range, we need at least a daily closure right here. So the chart is pulling back right now at the moment. We had a week right at that 0.008 mark, but we are being rejected at the moment. I hope that the Jasmy price closes a daily candle above this 0.786 fib retracement level. That's something like $0.0075 per Jasmy, right? So close above this level, you have an opportunity to go ahead and take out this high right here. So yeah, this is what I'm looking forward to here. Taking a look at the RSI 2, you can see that we still have got a slight high here. Then this one is still a little bit low. We don't want a situation where we have a bearish divergence happening right here on the RSI, because you can see that we are setting higher highs right here, right? So these are just my concerns at the moment, but let me go ahead and show you the great stuff that we have on a weekly time frame here. So on a weekly time frame, take a look at this. This structure is the ultimate reversal pattern here that you can find in technical analysis. Now this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Let me quickly draw this one nicely. Here we go. So you can actually see that the Jasmy price has managed to form this. I actually mentioned this thing, I think it was 4 weeks back or 3, but I didn't take in deeper consideration into the pattern, and I analyzed it a bit. Actually, it looks legit, right? So this is your left shoulder here, your right shoulder, and your head, and what you want to see is you want to see an oversold RSI. So on a daily time frame, we have that condition being satisfied, and we have a big breakout happening right here. But that's not the only thing that is happening right here. Let's quickly check the EMA rebounds on a weekly time frame, and there's something that is actually interesting happening here. All right, so here with the EMA rebounds, you can actually see that they play an important role here on the Jasmy price chart. As you can see that we are rejected once here, the price went to the downside. Actually it started right here, so rejection here, as well as a rejection right here. But something interesting has just happened this week. So you see that we were rejected obviously on the 8th of February, right? That was okay. We actually tried another EMA rebound here. We got rejected once, and then we managed to break above this rebound here, but something magical happened here. Let me tell you that. We got rejected one more time. Look at how we bounced off of this rebound. Like, look at the amount of buys that came in right around this level, and we are still being supported right here. So also a weekly closure above this EMA rebound right here could be something that is amazing for the Jasmy price, and the neck resistance is sitting like really far off. That's something like 0.0093. That's almost like 1 cent right per Jasmy. And I mean, the good thing about this price target is it's above our main resistance level, obviously here at 0.008. So that would mean that we are done with this stuff, and I expect the Jasmy price to do great things as soon as we break this level. Now, are we going to break it immediately? That one I really don't know. If you remember, I was actually expecting a slow week this week, because I was looking at my fractals right here, and I was thinking that it's going to take more time. But the Jasmy price is actually much more bullish than I even thought. and we could see that happening even in the next week. So let's see what happens there. But all the indicators on the board could actually line up to tell you that this is a buy, and the price does the exact opposite, as you can see right here. I was expecting the Jasmy price to take a little bit of a longer time before attempting to get to the 0.008, but as you can see here, the picture is clear. The structures actually are pointing to the Jasmy price breaking above the $0.008 in the future. Now obviously it is unknown when it's going to happen, but I can tell you with a high degree of certainty that this is something that is actually much more likely than not that we will see a break of this resistance and have greater price targets happening. So I forgot to show you the price target for this inverted and shoulder pattern right here. So let me quickly go back. I think that was my gate IO price set. So let's go ahead and measure that, and then we close today's video. So from the neckline to the very bottom or the top of the head here until this part right here. So it's coming into conference with another ribbon here. So that's something like almost 2 cents, right? That's good. I mean, it's really good price for the Jasmy price set. It's a start at least of something that is amazing. So let's see what happens here with the EMA ribbon. But these are great things happening on the Jasmy price set. Obviously this is just my own opinion, it's not financial advice. But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.